back to Let's Make. Today we're going to be making cupcakes. And watch out for the brother. Let's get into it. Come on. So, these are our ingredients. So, we're going to need a half a cup of oil, full cup of water, 3 eggs, and our mix. So, now make sure you have parent supervision while you do this. So, we're going to hit bake to 350, so it's already like that. So now we're going to hit start. And while it warms up, wait, make sure there's nothing in it. There's nothing in it.
What you doing?
We're making a cake.
Oh, well, Cindy did a smoothie. I thought I was going to go in that one.
No, it's a sweet thing.
Okay, I'll get you Swedish fish.
No!
Just
go.
You don't need my help. I can't win.
Okay, so sorry about that. He's so weird. Okay, so now we're gonna add the mix. I'm just gonna take this out since we're adding the whole thing. Yay. And make sure you add all of it since we're making a big batch of cupcakes. I'm just put that there for now. So now we're gonna set this down. I'm gonna set it to 2. We're gonna set it to, oh, I forgot to lock it. So make sure you lock it. And make sure you have your parents watch you do this since it's, you may get electrocuted or something like that. And we're gonna set it to do, don't go over because that may overdo something. So now you're gonna add the water slowly. Okay. And while that is mixing, you're going to add the oil. Make sure you have a half a cup of oil and a full cup of water. Oh, 1 cup of water. Now, I'm going to start cracking the eggs. Okay? 1 egg. And of course I didn't. What am I just going to Now we're just going to pour this in here. Now, last egg. Put this in here. Wash your hands after. Okay. And now I have to add this egg in. Ooh. And if you're a girl, make sure you have your hair tied.